This is an elevator at City Hall. Someone's going door crazy. It's another Westinghouse. Send it down.
Here's the permit. Do you want to send it up?
Sure.
Nice. I don't know why there's a key card on the outside.
Me neither. Okay, the motor on this one kind of sucks.
Yeah, I was expecting a lot more. Especially because the parking garage one is only 2 floors, this one's 5.
It's a little dark.
It's a little disappointing. One out, one out.
One end on one.
Yep.
This thing has a weird controller. Physical activity will add years to your life. Oh, shut up.
It's a good thing we're over here filming elevators. Maybe I'll live till 90 to get to come back here.
Oh, there's a permit over here.
Yep.
This thing's not that
Door
interesting.
open. Yeah. Yeah, there's so many doors in this building.